Hello friends, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to generate sound effects with AI. I will use ElevenLabs for this. If you're ready, first visit the ElevenLabs.io website. Then log into your account. If you don't already have an ElevenLabs account, you can easily register. Next step, click on the Sound Effects tab in the menu on the left. Now, please listen carefully to what I'm about to explain. First, you need to describe what kind of sound effect you want to create in this section. Next step, if you plan to use the sound effect in a loop, you should turn on the loop feature. You can also choose the duration of the sound effect to be created by clicking on the clock icon. In the next section, you can choose how much the AI should be inspired by your description. This is entirely up to you. Once you have adjusted everything to your liking, click the Submit button. As you can see, we created for glass breaking sound effects exactly as we wanted. To download the audio file you created, simply click the Download button on the far right of the file. I hope this how to generate sound effects with ElevenLabs AI tutorial video was informative. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Take care.